Hi friends, this is Peter. The most awaited feature has been introduced by Fyers trading platform, that is CPR indicator. A lot of traders were asking me, sir, whether the CPR indicator, why it is not available with Fyers trading platform. We have requested Fyers to implement that. Finally, they have implemented today, and just we got a message that the CPR indicator has been updated, implemented in Fyers trading platform. Today we are not going to see detail about the indicator. I'm not going to explain in detail, but how to use that indicator in this trade platform and what are the setting required, that we can see in this video, right? We'll go to video now. Before going to this video, those who are new to my channel, please take some time to subscribe and do not forget to share this to your trading friends. And also in this YouTube channel, you will get a lot of technical analysis video, price action videos. You can see all those videos and learn and start trading. Okay, right. To add that indicator, you need to just click on this symbol. You can see here my cursor. Okay, just click on this symbol and just type CPR. Okay, you will get CPR with pivot levels. Okay, just click on it. Okay, this indicator will get added here. This indicator they have just started, so they may come up with further upgradation in this, but now it looks like that. I'll just remove my drawings here. One second. This is how the CPR indicator looks. Even in the trading view, you'll have a CPR indicator. This is the range of CPR. Okay, pivot levels. Okay, and this is support, first, second support, third support, and fourth support. Up to fourth support, this is a resistance. You can do some settings in this. I'll just go to the settings now and show you. Just click on this setting button. Okay, click on this setting button and you will see daily pivot. This is BC, below pivot line, and TC is top of the pivot line. Okay, these three you can change color, whatever color you want, you can change it up. Okay, and support 1, resistance 1, support 1 is in the red and resistance 1 is in the green. All this thing will be here. Okay, you can just click here and you can thin the line whichever line you want. You can just change the line thickness also. Okay, right, all these settings you can do it here. And if you don't want level 4, you can just untick this. The 4 level will not show up here. Okay, this is the main setting available right now in this CPR indicator. Okay, maybe going forward they may incorporate more feature in this indicator. Maybe yesterday's high low is not there in this. Okay, and other things like yesterday's high low is not there, monthly high lows is not there, weekly high lows is not there. Okay, these things are not there still now, but they may come up with that feature also in coming days. Okay, now just they have incorporated this. Those who know the CPR, about the CPR, you can use the CPR indicator and start trading. Those who do not know about the CPR indicator, I have not made much video on the CPR indicator. A lot of videos are available in the YouTube channel. You can check YouTube channel this about the CPR indicator. A lot of people have explained very well. You can see those videos also to learn. Okay, to learn you can see all those videos also. If required, I'll make detailed video about the CPR indicator, how we need to trade on the CPR indicator. This maybe later on we'll see, but now this is the indicator which has incorporated by Fyers. Friends, hope you have enjoyed this video. Those who are waiting for the CPR indicator, they might be very happy. Just enjoy your daily trading. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you with next video.